Nyami Shrama, Enkanka Ganama, Daddy Lumba say Nyami Shramo, I am Podika, Nyami Shrama, Papa. Fise mabre from the one Yamadia Basa says ya home. A memman in Yahuati Timkra, Nakoma, yes, one besan when you move free and then free tea, a man of credit in all. Yes, also been a man yarding. But my first out when I saw now Mamma Quaba, strong called the war abba, NYINSEN near war. Yes, over waffle, by I shall say, close to be the home. This OTA. Fisa hani ya ni apomodin adwuma 4 adokota 4 nurse 4 womu nyina di nkomo no ma kire sebe ya yebetimi anyinsen na nyinsen ni mo nso no ye bewo afa ye ho afa ye ma free sabre ko sisa no nkono bebo ye ntena se ni ani nkomo na de ani edi ho nkomo miscarriage ya pa nyame abo atimi afafuro bosome ba ko mienu miensa na besen obi dia to so be mienu be miensa dabi afi we yan kone sa nti ehu hia se anwumre wo NYINSEN ni awo so AFIA AMANKWAAH TAMAKLOE team no yede ba na team no so ye solid bra ayoa 05 edi atum wo Facebook live a so benya kwan na wahwe now do questions na go shine aqua so boy empa dam tetobians ye uniform a enye ye na the executive producer ati edingi semo nti mabna duo Amankwa the newest mother in town NYINSEN ya won de ye ka no now mo ka se ye di agro yes just wantie wutie nko ade a o banyem awafa ho afa oba nti no ye ba Adom ye star ne ba no Regina ba Adom de se wanya nua ba ma ba kwa ka ho so na wo ye de ya AFIA dan de na ho na ba wo so nyanye mu adwuma mu hankwa de AFIA dan na ba wo nti no ya fa hye wa adwenem arofo emu akwa abahye no so se wutie bi e wo OFM 107.7 wo oboase e na Cape 93.3 FM so e wo Cape Coast ne mpotamo ya da ma se fa se da no ma Elin Mothercare DBS roofing sheets sanso CB men CB women capsules e na fe Cradle Care maternity home ya da ma se papa se bra ya hye NYINSEN ni awoase wo ma so ya senia bepem ne ebia nso wo ho wo niema bia pese ye bo ho dawro de ma wa fa beto NYINSEN ni awo so ye be di ho adanse ama wo kama na affiliate stations bia wo so wate a wo pese wo so je na information ni ana dawre wo so bono wo so akonya wo ho de ya frɛ yen ye be ma kwan na wo so odi apeten fi se ye pese ye tu maternal death ase ewo memo eno ene Adom FM yen corporate social responsibility see any so say en so dawro no ana ye bebo enwumre me ne Dr. Felix Abaifa Bowo ya wo free Kolebu teaching hospital or a gynae obstetrician gynecologist to on the man what the on feni agro dog enwre ye moajo
yo mejo so anti AFIA nyame Adom me ho ya pa na also popom to say
nyame Adom me ho ye
that's why new hairstyle
yes ne pena doctor akatire ho
yes it's nice
thank you anyway no niachi
okay
Dome page 1 organizer ho okọ mo be oti kamanti ya fa wifi brana
yo mate
yenye nti man fine ho be fe pa me da se dog anwumre ye di enkomo e de afa miscarriage ho na yes shasi ebo promo no radio iso any social media handles ahodo ya de toto so no na yes abo amanfo mu bi epusa ye pese ye hunu se oba NYINSEN mu ana se wafa from no obetimi akono totin bra onya hawo
yes
bro how bia ememu
yes a bit messi say oba be for you through na from time or fire from of the time I collaborate on the time about on go through problems possible and yeah necessary say obia before you fun at least when you one problem and I said the other it's not like that into with me after you fun go through process no unti or how be a fear be here and then those ones in the air somehow acceptable but so benya any serious problem no and your baby and go through that yes
any your topic in any bus way a bread bay any because will be any miscarriage.
Yes, in the case of when you miscarriage, oba when you say, na NYINSEN say before say obinya, Ghana have used 28 weeks. Now 28 weeks no, ode 2 months na no the obia enimna. 28 weeks about 7 months. 7 months. Inti say yes. Say when you say na endu 7 months, na NYINSEN assay. And the case when you miscarriage, and I say when you abortion. It's miscarriage and abortion no bit me you know the same way. Say when you miscarriage say abort the same ways. Now it's 28 weeks because I say 7 months because I have no if you say after 7 months no and I no bar yeah mention say bit my born ama what me gina. Before that in the no bar like say when you miscarriage.
And as I say what me a free 7 months will be about 7 months 2 weeks and don't me say
exactly they were Nico how with my call with me now before that the chances no very low say
7 months per
yes a bit me save depend on be a clanny weight or na face you say so your boss so one more a man almost me survive than man this is the weight
balls so 7 months one mom na was say nyini kon and be 870 so ba 7 na ya neta
yes and no ba e ma ne tests no na enyan descend emba scrot shwanumu na da ho ne yem and that's one of the issues but basically hano say work after 7 months the chances of which me survive any fine or very high with this no a crobian the use depend on niema or team de share preterm when I say those babies no into America say I won't use 28 weeks and I won't use 7 months I won't use say 24 weeks you know so it's like 6 months so when say after 6 months no ba one niema with me abo ma akwa na ejina no UK so e won there be 20 weeks to no feel say uba after 5 months corona bit mass survive into horse and miscarriage no definition very different from here there but here you 28 because say any academic break or horse into you so there bit my boy na yetimi amankwa na ejina into so before you funu from time how you funu ko see 7 months say NYINSEN say na ka say miscarriage and I say abortion.
Hey, but I didn't be see pa bema what me career free ya be maybe what do you call on your man what to talk crazy not 7 months abesene dey na course sadio
we say miscarriage na say abortion you 2 types spontaneous and induced. Spontaneous in the no one kasa unfair draw unya hwe odawa we say moje to kwese NYINSEN na say about na when you miscarriage and is spontaneous no na induce ni dey bia unpe NYINSEN no tina or the draka na hospital na yama no edo na na ya in DNC and induce no but the no abese no spontaneous induce never say nipa na why na do say obeye tenumpo de yenka wasempi na de ono fi say bia ko pese odi NYINSEN kono ko na ase na ya ye maame no nti de can depend on time NYINSEN de be say within the time of the first trimester and our first 3 months no the NYINSEN no you actually need to trimesters your first second and third first trimester and your first 3 months no na second trimester no the next 3 months na the last 3 months so third trimester no inti say NYINSEN no say first trimester na no early loss na used to me say second trimester ni na courses ni different okay inti first trimester there na usually course na either say free mama side and I free baby side akwana won him no e bia na reason na say for no free mama no mama no problem bi no nti na abanasa na say akwala no kasa o she mama no so problem na abasa nti fa mama ne there for instance usually one of the thing na it me see age no mama ne age say mama ne nyin even advanced maternal age, they say, especially more than 35 years. They be also go school or a master, so a PhD, and so now. Wow, now maybe now we do 40. That's one alone. It's my own miscarriage. I spontaneous one. In the age, one factor, and it's more if we're the 35 and above or 40 and above, or even more than 44. Those brackets, no, or more. That's high risk. Now if so about how we be brave, to say we be our more than 5. Maybe up so cost 1, so cost 7. Those ones so now, sa problem here. Because even yesterday will be 7. The 8 one no, 8 one no. NYINSEN na osade so bleed. NYINSEN na say into multi-parity and I'll be our in total so be brave. It's me manage. No quite be any age no so can be. Exactly, because by that time no, na age no cost through. To be our 7 there, what 20 years cry now. By the 7th time na. Age no be about 35 or 40. So in that case you have when you 2 risk factors. Bama emananya sa you. Now if say be mama no yare be sometimes preconception care. Shwe the man before being say. So I'm no yare na say yare be onim so. And I say onim so crab on see no kwan. And so to me causes her. And yare to say diabetes and I sickle cell, and even anemia. And I say be a hypertension, maybe a kidney problem. Those ones now. Those people now almost system no any normal. It is a NYINSEN sana. It me have clanama. It me body. And I want you to when malaria because it will be a common malaria. Common malaria now temperature cost so high. It ima yes. And I when you UTI, urinary tract infection, almost to me about this. It's because these are near like my main side. Now if it's smoking. Na substance abuse maybe say hana mam for no be brain tan and num cigarette maybe okunu num na onum ofie onum ode onum at least also oyin helibi and I say oba onum nsa 2 months 4 months 5 months now rain sasa obetimi body maybe more fatty be say cocaine and those hard drugs so ni na itimi ka and I want to caffeine no your cut off and your limit to no be bria and so timima omunya sa miscarriage no your cut off say be offer say 200 grams which is like 2 cups in a day. It's okay but for more than 2 cups now so like a normal coffee cup for more than 2 cups is not the best until when we especially be our for early type no early stage no and I can because early stage no a very delicate no be bria fina kula no body no cry air for me nti bi ka cry to chima etima say we be also kwa koto coffee we yanom wa fa no normal tt na so be na system na ne akra no de na ti de wo come na sister no say early pregnancies no mo de o say niam bi wa ye hwe very careful yes na see most of the times be a mama no onim to cry so onyim na ne ho any shit no call drugstore so me ho machine am na do na that early stage no ndo be wo ha any so offer we be no so enye no fault onim so onyem but on feel well into a call drugstore am na do na akofa herba me had this be etimi ha akola no good na oba akola no so a no so any problems etimi almost aboti meba ho fast dan my lean mother care sem komo no ayode me sure sabre wahunu se bia baby ye wo part na ma ene miscarriage ha wadwen a by the time I be NYINSEN ni AWOÅ no na fe wahunu baby a wo de beto komo no ye deba ya hwe oba famudi a etime ma miscarriage ba na doctor beto so nkwada no so e bia na bibi ato achew bro da ye funu mu eno so timi de miscarriage ne ba ho doctor ba ho fast da Merlin mother care Mr. Abatan awofo ya wawo nge opa oba no ho niema ato from 0 to 18 years a Elin mother care niema ye papa cotton eni ye di ahim wo nkora ho niema biya yetu bi wo say wo aduane won tade hye mo mpaboa diaper na wives nom ne wardrobes bibia oba ne bema from 0 to 18 Elin mother care omo wo wholesale price and your retail so e wo ho nti wo tu
edi akoton a utimi ko Elin Mother Care hokotobi na wo to no baako na wo anso de asiesie wo ma ho a ni nyina no Elin Mother Care eye bi hwehwe wo mo ewo makola ene old UT bank no ene hwe animu ko Elin Mother Care so edumafo ni nyina hye branded dress ya shada twa atade ama wo mo ho ofe wo manim ten so enti wo frɛ wo mo ana gbowura wo na hu wo mo pɛ no hu se Elin na we frɛ 0549178137 0549178137 now when Elin Mother Care for enkasa DBS roofing sheets yedo mase papa wamo boy yen you said ne kan emre bi atwam nkensuo to kakra na nchensen pepa de left and right then say DBS for ba munti ama yen nchensen issues na ba form e bi afa na wate wonka kokotobi na wasori dan usuku dan o store fie unya DBS for nchensen ni bi de guso e papa empa enwena ache emunso nyehye eye papa pa nti woni DBS for any ensa wo enkran wo mo Spinters Road DBS building e ben Papaya restaurant ho for 0543 286 637 0543 286 na woni wo akasa kumase tamale takrade e ho nyina no DBS for won krabata no bi e wo ho na CB women capsules and so boa e me mano me bi na mano so no nom na yemfanhia ene ye hia sa de ababie wu e de amaye yesro mema ojo nso mu pai mienu a na ntina center for na eba yare unya CB men ni binom a wona akro no ye de rubber shop be memu a no anya problem enti yempese ye de rubber be hyemu nti nom CB men capsules ni bi na emu a ojo nso wote yawo a na ye se yare na eba nom CB men capsules na emu a oba nso enipam na wuti ho nsufita enkade akire wo no dofo hia na yawo mu a unya CB women capsules no mu a ohun beto Suzy Herbal for na akofa ba pharmacy chemical shops na ben wo no borua ho obenya biato 0247 111 671 0247 111 671 Shannon so yedem Facebook live into wadwen kire no udi gu ho a ye beken kan de amount u follow AFIA AMANKWAAH so Instagram a na da sifisi de video na to ho a ye di asade dene utie yen so OFM wo boase Cape 93.3 FM and so ewo Cape Coast media AFIA AMANKWAAH TAMAKLOE mene Dr. Felix Bawu na edin komo miscarriage ene ye di eho enkomo a ya hwe oba famudia oba wa fa afuro ne famudia etimi ma NYINSEN a wa carry be 7 months etimi seye ese yedu enkwada nso dia a ebetimi ama wanya miscarriage dog akora wo hye yafunu mu nim hwede ne be koso yafunu mu abema NYINSEN na seye.
Yes, say akora no onimhwe. It's nice one.
Oshawa we ni video.
When you be so far as akora for me there or life nti.
Some na mo do monsako ho nti mu mu de ye ho.
Good nti ba akora for my miscarriage happened first trimester and first 3 months no. Bebre na no e free nkola no. About more than 50 to 60% no. As offer a 100 omanya miscarriage within first trimester na early pregnancy loss na be na free nkola no na e ba nkola na the yes in say e bi o mu afi no chromosomes no ne say scientific term kakra but chromosomes na a forming human being na wo bi afi DNA no mu now DNA na be chere say bia oh this part ebe for me ebia oti have for me your heart have for me ebia or lungs good it is akla no a problem e woni DNA no ne chromosomes no mu a that means these organs no ain't mean for me in that case most of them no more abort it and I'll be miscarry na just say what has happened is that baby no ho wa for me but it will defect on the chromosomes no mu now chromosomes na eno na ema eboama baby no form the organs no inti your genes e wo chromosomes mu a ebe form you say wo heart wo brain wo kidney and body parts in na inti if there's a problem with the chromosomes na then baby no ain't me enye ye na or abort it inti most of the time no for the babies no they is in say omo abort first early pregnancy no first 3 months most of them more these chromosomal abnormalities I need to more abort it na abnormalities no e be omo inherit free omo parents so e be of have free mama have so ne papa na abeshia na for me that na say and what started with the baby is to be an parents no okay. The baby na when that chromosomal abnormalities na itimi ayesa. And I say be a baby na congenital abnormality be na kuma intima for me. Inti baby no so as I say or for me na kuma na say itimi boa no even though or in say or congenital abnormality I affect some part of the body intimi survive also bit me about it. In the early part, even though my main factors or no most of the times chromosomal abnormalities na cause by it is my fundamental catch almost and I face be a fault your doctor then I may intina be I may say intina ayesa and
so okay say akran or fa bibia free ne ma me ho
exactly
say ne ma me na ne ma nko ye timi say
it is sana ya modwin baby no so intina o can say baby no onim hwia na be straight no but ono so e contribute because ono so odd ten ho ono so ne bibia air for me from scratch until there's a problem with the chromosomes no ma etim ono so enya that they no happen first 3 months no most of them
no say chromosomes no
yes
say free ma me mom na me de me bia na akra na free me ho dia form ne niam
good
nti de na be ma bia ono ne chromosome na ebe ma na koma na form ebe ma ne nsa ne nan bibia ho betechema nti menya afei ebe say wa kontin fi
good. So what happens before I club from I say be ma no like sperms no any egg no issue good into chromosomes ebi half for papa no and a half so mommy no good into issue na you complete na say baby no for me now it's because first ebi how munya problem free omo parents so ebi a papa no half of the problem only full blown problem no mommy so half until they are fine but omo issue no abe half abana bisha abe complete in that case the baby benya complete problem no even though ni parents no half baby benya complete problem no ontimi survive it's even though my no when you are fine because for half of the problem so you are okay but papa no so half to know the abana baby na be complete problem and na be also even the parents are fine only sa chromosomal abnormalities no but we say the process of forming the baby is very delicate sa chromosome say a share necessarily a divide it started with just one cell one cell na divide by nipa kesi say into sa cell is so say o divide ya na say be kochima na o say one cell divided into two I was say the one cell one or check pepe na two cells no be be na two no so assign divided so if there's a problem with the division now and the baby na na oil in the division and fa mama no and fa papa no ho so a division as be ankoye or division no more then na wenya sa problem no so apart from the no benya free ni parents no I know so one aspect and aspect so no ngasa through the process of say all forming ho no there be a touchma and it doesn't relate to the parents no at all and so to me a cost sir in the first 3 months in there most of the lose babies no spontaneous ones no free this chromosomal problem even though mother no so the can so and so to me contribute I know it different from the AC or second trimester and I say hopefully after first 3 months no the next 3 months no so almost so much me but almost some course no so
second trimester no so no na course bi obi atimi atwam 3 months
exactly yenti nyame na Adom first 3 months we train BNC when lead or fine then maybe you do 5 months na mo just say 8 no to almost some courses no different even though some etimi overlapping maternal factors in there is basically still the same to say onum cigarette and also no monsa now diabetes those ones still a bit may carry on to the second trimester and the common one I tend to see if it be cervical incompetence and no nipa no service no yes and insufficiency inti you will be a service no and time for no I would no service no so by be on say kata say close a tomb inti say tomb sana ebetum sa kosi se otamaso otamuso so ko wa unse bibi timi fi wa se na very slimy free service neighbor na service as to say bie na baby naba na oba bi o ha ni service no se ka say incompetence je say umbo adwuma yi nti sa ni service no nti bi mje na adwuma yi nti se say bie e wa bra ondu 9 months kra Inti bisa na eden obi de wo womb no na say Adom na beba besen. Ti enu e very common. No say no bi o say obi a NYINSEN ye pam mase ye pam mauden ano. Inti ehun so wo say problem na eno na e mo go through say ye be pam auden ano no. Go service ni a week. Onya wo e.
Bebe na obehu abepam ano no.
Yes, into no say no say bia wenya in the first pregnancy by 5 months and they say second one is 5 months say the third one no doctor be no ma we go through without say on pam auden ano no obe pam service no na close the time so call wa na we yi ahwa na wow into almost no service ni a week inti min kra baby no e mani nkodu 9 months
ya admit one more to
yes to be down to sa kositama bo will lose be 7 babies because of that they know say no I say high risk to pese obo no to no be down to sa kosisa
benim sa be say benim be say
inti eno timi esisa and your other conditions and so etimi happen during this second 3 months, if like second trimester, no. And also, be na mama no some conditions be almost form blood clots or more mojamo very easily. Until you know some form clots when the veins no more. That means baby need to mean your blood. The baby your blood so a one will be. Until I mean for be how mojana a clot more. Form clot easily a disease conditioner, mama no. Until when you say I always say. Or sending moja kwa akola no ni bia clot na form wo sa intini no mu nti moja ntimi nkwa akola no ho te ban so bibi no nya moja na say one bu na asay and so under cause but the common one here cervical incompetence na say weak service no na service a enia ho de betime kura weight of the baby na kosi 9 months no na by 20 weeks and by 5 months na on say AB na abese
doctor baby o kan sa clot moja ye abubo aponti bi ntime ma enkomu ma akra ni nya bi surviving bede na mehu ye ba antenatal na monka be me nam go minim ti bede na mehu na wa so doctor bede na wahu sa be ya yen no miscarriage na kra then also more year to avoid miscarriage, and especially with clotting no so moja atoto about say
yes, very good. It is a Uber hospital. So how for you from today expect say NYINSEN a so called hospital in Tem. It was when train in 5 months ti Ubon say undu tamabako kona say to call earlier the first time no if we have a history taking no your question be brave ebusa a way of say the assess say oh Arabian into one of the question ebusa with respect to the cloth and say bia when your cloth e wo nine muda I have a DVT and I did thrombosis into your young girl na ebusa sa question is bia oh when your cloth wo name when your DVT da and I say bia oh family member bia when your DVT da to obi a yes and if DVT no insiti bia mama no tama no NYINSEN kra no onya clot e woni nan mu
sese ni nan mu ne sese
ni nan ti say intina e woni nan no clot wonya bi wo mu da you understand if the DVT inti say tama no NYINSEN no onya that problem na then what it means the chance of forming clot no e high inti busa this question na say o ka say oh bia wonya bi da then you be assess you for that condition no
yes and who here so ko ho na ebusa bibia no kra na obeka
na obeka no kra no yes the one kind of kra na doctor nde onye magician ontimi show ni menka say oh me show ni ma wonya baby and tisa the questions na be busa na na de be hu say bia wonya sa problem we bi da and I say bia nya wo kra na say bia ye oh first degree relative near to bia o maame and na unu apanyi na unu akichobi and na papa enya this problem ni bia it was also obi yes it was also obi baby a wo de enya nsie na o de NYINSEN nti na ebusa about family history no so nti ebusa na say e positive then your test e be ye amount I confirm say oh sa problem na with na form clots ni bia na say uni bi but ebusa na say uni sa history ni there then yes test go test na expensive tuntimi nyama apimfo bia insi ebusa na say oh those positive family history na say positive past history na then you go to the lab test. And yes, I saw Obi because say, oh doctor, last year NYINSEN essay, this year so beginning so NYINSEN essay, and also my 8 million investigations no to be a recurrent miscarriages so. And so my I investigate say bia oh that problem ni bia na bia itime sia no kwan before be say ACBM.
Dog obi e bisa question wa ha say ma bi wo ho no mo a omo a miscarry ya stitch ya pam ho no month no ni ade but still the cervix no a week ya stitch yet akra no ba besene.
Yes. No so you see the truth is sa incompetence so we na say pam service na enye 100%. Say bia so far pam there e betimi age na no enye 100%. You see ibu a service no cry no a very short ti upam kona still a bit so etimi ebesin ti ebesin a yes me hu bia ya pam to still I say yes into enye 100% say bia so far pam there obey. What it means the next pregnancy, that's why it's important. So be the same doctor or first one or no name the way honesty here. You see, to be the key more precautions. It's say be for was a bit my yafa or abdomen. I know like a through some operation near here because be out the higher for was still in ye say go through the abdomen and pam those ones. It's true. The work can create a bit my pam to still. A bit me still I say, but say one pama the chance be say near very very high. Tunka say be obi pam ye say nti me pity my pam.
Obi oti say no obetimi NYINSEN.
Yes, obetimi
NYINSEN. Yeah na sa besini.
Basically what happens say we have first one to them can first one be a still aba, second one still aba. Then what will happen is so if it's the same doctor, exactly. So this person be an the problem say or this particular problem. Or more maybe most of in hospital throughout. We if let's say be a ukofia, be a jumane, name beans, and I couldn't come my house, so be also no have sex near into those ones no. One of the precautions of betiki say be oh no this time yama unkufi obeda ha for 9 months in obeda has a course of so it's good say but we different doctor and also obeta from fresh onim say be well go through sa trauma no so it's possible say a bit master still na say
but young sex dey so and also to make cause miscarriage
you see technically speaking sex and cause miscarriage
technically
yes inti anase scientifically infancy is amu say oba NYINSEN ya on kase yes but what happens is say oba NYINSEN ya enkase because when NYINSEN ti mema onu kunu inhia the only time ebe kasa ne say ebia when NYINSEN na hu say bia moja sati efriwase ba those ones there is no way and also this previous history say bia NYINSEN ye last year minim essay to this one ube take precautions they know yama no kuno enhia kra but say when NYINSEN na there's no problem bleed nothing wait me have sex and cause
as will be miscarriage dear no say be sex and
yes and no they say no on its own and no pay intimate and cause miscarriage but so when NYINSEN na bia won say o problem bi especially say bia moja free wasiaba that one untimi have sex bi because the basa no ko bit mama oba na infections tie no sa no untimi have sex bi
NYINSEN ni AWOÅ and we see no Adom 106.3 FM Sanso na Cape 93.3 FM wo Cape Coast mutie ye wo ho OFM 107.7 wo Boase nyina da romanti enne ba bi a wo bia nso anya kwan ya wutie bie miscarriage ho nkomo ene ye die menwo abamu mukra se bia ato so mienu miensa ma wabamu mo afutuo ene se the doctor echechi mu no ye behwe ne etu ho anamo no anti ena kwasi ada nwumre bia 8 to 9 pm afia ne abedwoko ye tenase na yetututu ye ho no for na wo questions no aba said obi dia ba ye de kan yi ano e de ama no Ellen Mother Care Sanso DBS roofing sheets CB men CB women capsules and a cradle care maternity home one boy and share life say Facebook Adom 1063 FM and now call Instagram on so at AFIA AMANKWAAH. Now just say for no video no go. Would go on so kind a amount. Dog. Ekobasa etwa so a. E be ni dey. Good. So dey wo kase nya so wo kan bi aba mienu miensa. E basa to so sa e be do bi nya be 3 4 7 wo krampo aka.
The thing say to sa ye wo e di for cry e de mano. I feel no a recurrent miscarriage and a recurrent abortion and a habitual abortion. To this be our patient with habitual abortion and we or recurrent miscarriage. So we share 3 and I say more. Now Abanasana the kind of them kind of because you what that history you know. The first question people say yeah time AC say AC first 3 months and I say yeah AC second trimester no the second 3 months no because nyina no causes ni different into from the beginning they say who time a year AC then a year AC first 3 months no and I see second trimester no depending on where AC no that will influence investigations but I say they beat me I say we na cause and say we say na a cause into bana what this history now even before ben say of 4th one and so 5th one crown it was say this investigations man make I say diabetes etimi cause sickle cell etimi cause hypertension they say that test when you now man make sure say uni any disease condition and I say be able to say no monsa and now no those things no you be say all those things table so na say any of those problems are e be boa today you with me a giant son and says smoking and I offer do be a bit major and do was offer so it's me and my own miscarriage in the from history no you bit made it decided say be a test way and a bayamo not test in the bayamo basically what happens is determining the cause here no now the cause in which I say first 3 months no be na a chromosome and no entire recur no aklana kasa na say be no any problem to no be sin kwa next one no ono so ni destiny nko independent on first one be be our recurrent ones no the most important is be who idea and cause the problem and I said them kind of one of the problems that happen here cervical incompetence into no know who then you ni solution and I be work na uterus no abnormality be to by even before be NYINSEN the best scan amount and I be HS and I test be say be I share audio no be na audio no problem be or hunting na esisa 2 years can now those tests na bit identify so be or some abnormality e won uterus no muntina e basa then no so ni solution into those ones no yen start wa bra when you say even before be NYINSEN no we go through all this investigations
you when you be pain
you go through all this before be NYINSEN now NYINSEN so depending on what is causing it no I be far so they be with me I fine into no say no ba except from on state or befa folic acid before open NYINSEN befa folic acid cause so NYINSEN so no okoso afa those ones
okay but dog into we no obeka say so obi a what's our problem we say any dey nka won change o doctors
exactly because you see a boy is good say obesity to one doctor so no chance will be the own team here or be refer to maybe a next higher level or not or refer or be should be ACBA e won refer hetenum inti doctor or no or show at a higher level no or okay bones or say this na AC say na higher amount the mean twice in free has it that one is very important say you be a coin away to and I say be a doctor na a two coin it's better say best take it to the same person now on at the right time no feel say will be our call this specialist who first was them can more nice referral but should be exactly to next person no almost questions will be because when you history in the referral with me at the about
okay Linda nyame Facebook live Adom 1063 obisa say the symptoms be in the blood clots in the legs
one of the symptoms is nine be hono to nine to the number one be a left one no be na hono hono so and I say be a pains won't say ya to nine na hono na ya usually that is those are the common ones are when you say be a unya DVT and I say unya clot for nine be hono to final so number ba kwa hono simba ko emergency so ko na o mo scan on be there say close when I say close nim
na yan hwe we no miscarriage no you treatment.
Yes, treatment ho na no na be the kind boss no say treatment no start from
day one.
Yes, even from time when NYINSEN the next one cry no, that is when it starting to when you miscarriage no ko nothing enka so me chairman next one aba bia unim de besi no so NYINSEN na unko hospital na so say until before when NYINSEN next one no, that's when the treatment start na that time na investigations na start doctor show no be investigations ama sa ko si say obe NYINSEN next one so NYINSEN so na the same person will take you through more investigation maybe I draw so them out. Now it don't depend on what is causing it. In Tibia, obi was obi a NYINSEN me nya miscarriage next one your mama do mama de share ma say. Obi a oh dear no problem a wanti na ma sa edu. It might be different from the power for so dear. So the treatment depend on what is causing it. Obi was say they say incompetence na ebe pam na say. Obi a oh dear hormonal problem. Then no hormonal problem. Artificial hormones will be so bit mama no ejina.
NYINSEN ni AWOÅ ya bia yan phone lines no 0302216561. Edi a questions yi mebusa bia ba unso wo die bia show so for doctor 0302216561 ana 62 na Dr. Moyin Sisia ntino yan hwe yetime prevent miscarriage.
Yes, prevention now prevention no basically what it starts from preconception care. A year I saw go for time what decided so be in the next 3 months, the next 4 months me 5 no. Now those times no from the history of exam no lapses will be in just to make sure BBI okay. At that period no if our condition be doctor now bit ma boa a control condition no. And I can say obi a condition we no yen twintwen so kakra yen try na manage condition and sana
wafa no yen first corner one.
Hello
odo ya mo ajodo oba NYINSEN ni AWOÅ so di ni ba bia wo frɛ yen fi
Pacha your friend Doris Pacha my worry since January now I've had 2 miscarriages already. Expecting my third way. Probably I'll be going for a lab test to see if this one too has been successful. But I want to know what to do so that this one will stay throughout the 9 months till.
That's when how many weeks or months?
I'm within like 3 weeks.
No, dog be ya no dia ma o yada say papa. Ofofro enso enya emaye. Nti dog obi nya maye. Yenhwe herbs ne ade before e ba be yi ye pese ye other questions. Herbs ne you know, and also a factor wo miscarriage mo.
Yes, factor, contributing factor. Usually with the herbs, and I say not even herbs alone, but even orthodox, some of the orthodox medicines need to offer say NYINSEN so the early stage any say offer. Now about no herbs now most of them. Dog,
me banche me fa another call our man so. Or the mo ajodo oba NYINSEN ni AWOÅ so di ni baby a free mfi.
Pacha fa me komi.
Ante kwani
say man. And say madam fu, we me very close friend. But for some time now, NYINSEN mana could be between 7 months no na NYINSEN na babese. There's 2 times. And I was like, how? It was the beginning there, she, you know, obey okay, obey him. The last year, say, yes, some few months ago, and that one connect twins. And all of a sudden, the first one also say, the second one is after any you do 7 more nana, I say, I be saying. In number, say, and so then they causes idea.
Yada se sister Kwani dog beboa we ya no de ama o yada se papa foforo nso aba ahoma no eso yenya ye de na bo ahe be ku Kingsley o se sister AFIA me enyemuye since onyemye no ne no anatal 9 months ema hono kra na ye no operation no mu ne ade wawo ne ba no 2 years since 9 months na wo honu mo onyem ye nyina 2 years ye akora ye nyina one ne yere no enaaye en opese ohun ye den a nti ye be ye no ano later okay owo from so kafra line no a drop fa che yempa also betumi afre ye dase oforiwa Kenneth ne so die ni ope advice folic acid no is it advisable so we be fan of 4th or 5th month to 9th month ne die so I don't know for front so ewo ahoma no so me say nenu show nti odo emo do ba nyi sani a wo so di ni baby afre yemfi
Patrol come no ba ya am ka so fezu
every yen line no mo aye bibia o ho ama ye dog yentie yen first to o mo matimi abamu no
When you have 2 miscarriages, what you saying, or about 3 weeks, 6 years. Usually, like a kind or no say no, they say when you say, "That first 2 no nyano." Now when you how many weeks and when you have miscarriages, and nobody tell me who say be by the first trimester is the second trimester, and I feel so after second one, at least I say ka. Means all year there ko woman ni doctor and say the gynecologist no yes I'm basically who say be oh this was a baby you okay and next one aba na even yeah advice say onya miscarriage and he said the next month and the next 2 months now only say be this is onya at least 3 months there I say with my identity even WHO recommend say 6 months so with me train Emma bibia go back to normal so na wetin me say be nti I'm not sure weeks are the first to happen here and even in between so
okay don't you better other for them so for ahoma no so or dem wanjo do ba NYINSEN ni awo so di ni baby afre yemfi or dem wanjo lines no emwa yen kra dog di we so to ho ma me Isaac obin men sansuni sister Fia please my get pregnant and after that okay ultimately so person just say onyem then so ekwan mu no na ohun moja nkakra na osai ene ne dofun su hia na no so ababa abese no na osu se obesan akomu biom ore mo adwo do ba NYINSEN ni awoso din baby afre yemfi
ya fine majo amikaza bi buase
obuase yenti o majo a
na fa so me niaba ko we no njemba no ni eno wo ko wo panie by class embassy eno so betwen bibia na
o wo panie wanyem no wo panie
no wo nim so wanyem
nti e panie ben a
family planning ni
okay yo dog be ya no dia ma why okay until offer from so aba odo di ni baby afre yemfi odo ya majo
hello
ya majo do ba NYINSEN ni awoso
me paso ya se me Gladys me ka se dan somo
e pacho yenti o Gladys
me pacho doctor ma oba la kini me kini anya me number kakra
okay any wi ana producer no beka sawai
pacho nke mama nka kini ngina so
ai o no beka sawo thank you aha dog yento aso
good the question is comfort no busa say down for 7 months be NYINSEN na NYINSEN say good into no say no because 7 months no time say service no any strong ka bitimi ama nyit ABIA NYINSEN no abese to no say no next pregnancy no say otimi hu ne gynecologist na oman this history say NYINSEN be at 7 months NYINSEN be say if it's not for me cervical weakness na bitma be onya infections be intinema and so it me yes
of from so abado nchwa no odolo radio no mayen kra ya mo ajodo ba NYINSEN ya wo so
e ma mo ke de brain
ya jo so papa free anyway
Chendro
e pacho yenti o
na demo servicing competence no abadu no kofa ba
okay dog be ya no dia ma o yada se papa dog Isaac obi mensa de ni ne yire afafuro na ofafuro no obeka chen se ase moja ohun moja nkakra eno nkoda one ne da yen so a na yefunu no asen sisi ekura no suro se obesan ne no ehie ntimpacho na wayi anu ama no ye fa yen last caller na afi yin sem na no ode mo dodo oba NYINSEN ya wo so udi ni ba bia afre mfi
efe mi no se mfre ku foludia
me fa che yenti o
me de ne me yire wa fa no wa fa ne ba anti me da nkofobia mo titru mo ase se yite na wo no yetie mu no me yire afa no ho afa de ba me bo SD for Dr. Obey me bo na baso se wa ya de pa se oma saka black weku me da mase
yanso ya da se papa panti mun ko hwese de bia mu betie yen kwasi ada 8 pm bia wa wo fufure so also ye tuno for dog amra no ya so asopra ne sa
ofori wa na obusa se obetma for folic acid after between 4 months and 9 months. Usually from 5 months to 9 months. Usually the critical period no before NYINSEN and the first 3-4 months when NYINSEN no. At that time the one for crown, this time they suffer. Now after between 4 to 9 months still recommend this folic acid no. But the critical period no time a baby no air forming. They suffer before pregnancy and then the first 3 months of the pregnancy no very critical suffer. But from 4 months to 9 months so I say Gusuna offer and say Ujai. And Isaac Obin could say no oblidi no in have say like I said no say so first of all bleedy it's not advisable so never have sex cry you have sex cry so seek doctor's advice first and majwa so from oboase or family planning no me so you call family planning yes usually so call family planning one of the things I must to make sure say NYINSEN or one say NYINSEN so mo nye sure on be test na answer but let's even give them the benefit of the doubt but so one just ha akola no in any way have baby I'm so in any way yes uncle yes no baby ne be fine you say be a different problem but not a problem from family planning injection or call war until on kana kuma entuni and Gladys no swedro the feature so then the causes cervical incompetence yes be man free no now cervical incompetence adeba ko etimi cause here DNC so ukoye bia obi NYINSEN on NYINSEN no person say no okwa awde na akata anona service no esi nti de obeyama no so onye very good or force a BA service no no wetime yi baby na AP nti in the process of forcing say obey BA service no wetime weekend ma service no a week nti so bia why DNC bia wanye no doctor na be pa etime cause cervical condition ana obey bi o ha we na the service no ati service so timiti say the year was timiti service so etimi eti na your some procedures so bi o cervical problem be cervical cancer be maybe I say service no etimi twa baby free or those ones so etimi cause cervical incompetence no
okay ayi akwa Kofi Williams so ni na yiri wanya 2 miscarriage omo Sweden omo akọ hospitals doctor CBBA ye normal nti dey biem ne miscarriage no
Doctor CBBA normal
but omanya 2 miscarriage and amoko hospital yes normal
so in that case that means oma share papa na share mama so everything okay on their part so these are the types that maybe fetus na baby no and what this chromosomal abnormality say any compatible with life and into say to know say no they can go on and have a more third pregnancy then during the pregnancy the mother will be monitored okay. And okay, innocent na or that program na say
so awa fa no ho afa ba okay dog am na so an say yemfa herbs no ntwato
yes into herbs no like what I was saying no even orthodox medicine bi o ha NYINSEN ya onfa even words of it beginning no na first 3 months no and herbs no most of them no we can't guarantee say and I say mu scientific research and who say helps we offer no first 3 months na save and I say save into what we advise and say we sure say NYINSEN or her any so offer helps no any so offer because we can't predict say bia ebe mo wanya miscarriage na say intimate emonya miscarriage na so far say intimate predict there and say ma ko try error funny and share there na wa fa na say it's a loss
don't me Instagram AFIA AMANKWAAH be bisa se ebrebe na also be enom Vita for ana pregnant care.
Good. Into those ones no Vita for is like iron. So first when you say our hospital and our casa cry when you say why test with fear won't say positive no which must say afa even before you go to hospital because folic acid boy into who say you say no time bia one casa and I say even before the pregnancy with me afa now when you say so why me super why test who say positive so say offer those ones no now call hospital so doctor also bet me I prescribe be amount.
Okay. Me sure say Lillian see do why you okay because no be say he helps and we don't when you explanation but see what me explain it dog no aswan sa we find a photo
yes first of all because miscarriage very very common now the can say when you say usually they happen in the first 3 months no parents no yes me so be feel bad but most of the time free maybe I don't know why be and cause sir the thing say be na baby no cry no problem be on ho anka obey nipa na wo no cry na be help be into be say cry na what train now next one asinyaba and I say unya miscarriage so maybe 2 or 3 and this say o train man next one baby I say before you no ko hu gynecologist na otimi assess so your test obit my ama who say o problem be and I say only problem be before next one no what show the correct time betimi nya next pregnancy no
we the sharp one first time brebe no bet ni baby no movement obi onye mo da
first time and between 4 to 5 months but at least by 5 months there I will say 20
Dr. Felix bewo na yetene nka no free kolebu gyne pa na wa betre ya de bebre afa miscarriage home ya sure say free na kure wasua de nti de otomusini de de sa ha one ba no yetuna se afeda se no wa afa ho afa oba NYINSEN ni AWOÅ ya so be wa afa ho afa oba fa se dan my lean mother care CB men CB women DBS roofing sheets Cradle Care Maternity Home de AFIA AMANKWAAH TAMAKLOE Shine Aqua Ayoa 05 Damte Tobia Yeroma se papa so mo boy man ne production ne course so cuddly gidien so na yede etwaso